Key features and details about DEVERSE 25 Pints Dehumidifier: powerful, quiet and perfect for any room. There are include: a damp home can lead to discomfort, unwanted odors, and even potential damage to your living environment. That's where this high-efficiency compact dehumidifier comes in. Despite its space-saving size, it delivers powerful performance, removing up to 25 pints of moisture per day and effectively covering areas as large as 3,000 square feet. With adjustable humidity settings ranging from 30% to 80%, it helps you create the perfect indoor environment for basements, bedrooms, bathrooms, attics, apartments, or dorms. The unit is designed with smart convenience in mind. Equipped with intelligent humidistats and 2 fan speeds, it adapts to your needs. At low speed, it operates quietly to maintain comfort without disturbing rest or work. At high speed, it accelerates moisture removal, making it ideal for quickly drying damp spaces. Paired with a 24-hour timer, it ensures efficient operation while minimizing energy use. Portability is another highlight. Thanks to 360-degree swivel wheels and an ergonomic handle, moving the unit from one room to another is effortless. It also includes a washable air filter that keeps the air fresh while reducing maintenance costs. The dual drainage options add further convenience. You can either rely on continuous drainage with the included hose or use the 0.56-gallon tank with an easy open design and water level indicator. A bucket-full alarm prevents spills, reducing cleaning stress. For family-friendly use, this dehumidifier features ultra-quiet compressor technology that keeps noise levels under 43 decibels. Safety features include child lock, overload protection, automatic defrost, and auto-restart memory, ensuring peace of mind during operation. Unlike traditional models that struggle in cold weather, this device is equipped with an advanced compressor and defrosting sensor, working reliably in conditions as low as 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Practical, efficient, and versatile, this compact dehumidifier is an excellent choice for maintaining a healthier, more comfortable living environment, no matter the season or the room size. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.